You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this football club, Norwegian, so from Norway. Let's learn the Norwegian pronunciation. Bodø Glimt. Bodø Glimt. We can say it as Bodø Glimt. Bodø Glimt. For more names from football, absolutely make sure to stay tuned. Bodø Glimt. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.